Yeah, I'm surprised it's that colorful right now, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and there's a sailboat way out straight in front of us, honey. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Of course, I can't see the bloody screen, so I have no idea if I just zoomed in on it. Now go and pan at full zoom, just, yeah, it's like Michigan. It's beautiful. It'll be a nice shot regardless, huh? What was that?
A bee that bee-tailed it right straight for me. It's
Oh,
not
dude.
in my hair, is it? Is there a bee anywhere?
I'm looking.
Okay, no, I guess
No,
not.
I guess not, because otherwise I'd be stung by now.
Oh, sweet. Boy, she doesn't want to burn off. It's cold.
Can you say that a little bit louder, honey? You know, your voice doesn't always pick up very well on the video camera. I can't.